Kuringana na ofitha munene wa uthuthuria kaunti-ini ya Bungoma Vincent Tegesa, mwikuru ucio uria uikaine ta Abraham Kimungu araikirio ngono ari mihango-ini ya ukui erekeire Webuye thutha wa mbitika na maabitha ugitiri akigeria gwithara.
On realizing that it was being chased, it diverted and took a route towards Nalondo. Because of speeding, on reaching at a corner, it overturned, and the officers managed to get whoever was driving the vehicle. That was one person who was the occupant, at the same time was the owner of the vehicle.
Tegesa ne ugite ni mahithukitie mwikuru uyu arakuaga thigara ithondekeirwo bururi turigainie wa Uganda atekurumirira mitaratara iria yagirirwo gukua na kuingirira indo guku bururi-ini undu uria ni mugaru na watho.
Was locked up in cells, and we are likely to charge him tomorrow for being in possession of uncancelled goods.
Maabitha acio maugite ni megwika uthuthuria baranginyo na unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa kuriha magoti guku bururi-ini KRA kumenya thogora wa thigara icio niguo mwikwiru akinyo igoti-ini. Ribotera Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.